This is what happens to your body when you walk for 5, 30, and 60 minutes. Do you know walking is one of the world's best medicine? It is one of the most overlooked activities that's extremely beneficial to your health. Look, you should know that the body creates chemical changes the longer you walk. Once you realize these benefits, you'll be inspired to walk more. Right now we're going to explore how walking for 5, 30 or even 60 minutes can transform your health and make you feel great. Sounds good? Let's get to it. 1. When you walk for 1 to 5 minutes. The moment you step out of the door to take your first steps, your body will release energy-producing chemicals to fire you up for the walk. When you start walking, your heart rate will increase from 70 to 100 beats per minute. This beneficial change warms the muscles and boosts blood flow. At this point, your body starts to burn up to 5 calories per minute. Fats and carbohydrates will be used as fuel to burn energy. 2. When you walk for 6 to 10 minutes. At this time period, your heartbeat goes all the way from 100 to 140 beats per minute. And you will start burning up to 6 calories per minute. Right now, your blood pressure will spike up to a little bit but still gets countered by the release of chemicals that expand blood vessels. This then supplies more blood and oxygen to working muscles. 3. When you walk for 11 to 20 minutes. As your walk becomes more intense, you'll burn up to 7 calories per minute and breath deeper than before. At this point, 2 hormones, epinephrine and glucagon, rise to fuel your muscles. For the most part, epinephrine is an adrenaline hormone that provides relief to asthma attacks and allergic reactions. It's actually sold in drugstores. The good news is, you can get it for free after a 20-minute walk. 4. When you walk for 21 to 45 minutes. This is the point where your body releases more tension and relaxes further. This typically happens as a result of the release of endorphins in your brain. The good thing is, you'll get to burn more fat at this stage and insulin levels drop significantly. This is great for people looking to shed excess weight, so be sure to keep up if you're one of them. 5. When you walk for 45 to 60 minutes. At this point, you're exceeding all previous benefits for longer, boosting blood flow, burning more calories and oxygenating your body. Moreover, studies have shown that walking is just as effective as antidepressants. It eases stress and anxiety.